So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add echo to your audios. You can use any audio file or any mp3 file, how you can insert echo in that file using Audacity software. If you don't know, Audacity software is a very good software for editing purpose in audio only. It edits only audio file formats. By adding echo in your audios, you can give them a really good effect for music purposes. So all you have to do is to just simply open the Audacity software in your PC. You can download this software from any site, as it is an open source software, so it's available for free. Once you open the Audacity software, it will open like this, where you have to do to just simply click on the file option at the top left window and simply hit on the open button and open the file in which you want to add echo. For this video purpose, I have added this file, mp3 file. Now in order to add the echo, first I have to select the area in which I want to add the effect. In order to select all the area, just simply hit Ctrl+A in your keyboard and all of this timeline has been selected. Now go to the effects panel at the top window. You can see it's just right there. Click on the effect, then you will go to the option of delay and reverb. When you go to this option, you will find an option of echo at the second number on this list. You can see it's just right there. Simply click on this option and set the values as per your convenience. For currently it has set on the delay time of 0.5 seconds, which means a secondary audio will be delayed at 0.5 seconds, which gives an echo effect to my audio. You can adjust these value, and a decay factor option is also there. You can select that value as per your convenience as well. Once you are satisfied with the settings, you can simply preview the audio or just hit apply. Then you will see echo has been added to my audio. You can see the change in the timeline. So by this method you can add echo to your music videos. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.